My name is Devipya Banod and I am singing in the devotional Carnatic vocals category. I am from India and today I will be singing Bhadra Saila Raja Mandira composed by Bhadrachala Ramadas in the ragam Kuntala Varali, which is set in Adi Talam. The Arohanam and Avrohanam go like this. Sa, sa, ma, pa, ni, da, sa, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, sa. Bhadrasaila Raja Mandira Shri Ramachandra Bahu Madhya Vilasitendriya Bhadrasaila Raja Mandira Shri Ramachandra Bahu Madhya Vilasitendriya Bhadrasaila Raja Mandira Santata Prasanta Karana Shri Ramachandra Danti Vairi Madana Karana Santata Prasanta Karana Shri Ramachandra Danti Vairi Madana Karana Kanti Koti Rupa Rajita Shri Ramachandra Ghana Samasta Loka Pujita Kanti Koti Rupa Rajita Shri Ramachandra Ghana Samasta Loka Pujita Bhadrasaila Raja Mandira Shri Ramachandra Palu Madhya Vilasitendriya Bhadrasaila Raja Mandira Bhushuranga Divya Mandana Shri Ramachandra Bhalava Dharma Sadhya Bandana Bhushuranga Divya Mandana Shri Ramachandra Bhalava Dharma Sadhya Bandana Janaka Manasabja Toshana Shri Ramachandra Ghanasuta Samana Bhushana Janaka Manasabja Toshana Shri Ramachandra Ghanasuta Samana Bhushana Bhadrasaila Raja Mandira Shri Ramachandra Bahu Madhya Vilasitendriya Bhadrasaila Raja Mandira Patita Pavana Jagannuta Shri Ramachandra Paka Sasanadi Sodara Patita Pavana Jagannuta Shri Ramachandra Paka Sasanadi Sodara Satata Ramadasha Poshaka Shri Ramachandra Vidita Bhadragiri Niveshaka Satata Ramadasha Poshaka Shri Ramachandra Vidita Bhadragiri Niveshaka Bhadrasaila Raja Mandira Shri Ramachandra Bahu Madhya Vilasitendriya Bhadrasaila